Hey guys, welcome back to my space of the tube. It's your girl Vida, and this is the second part of our three-part video series, Small Business Ideas. So today we're going to be talking about skill-based business ideas. Yeah, so let's get right to it. If you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, love the don't forget to show some love to the subscribe button, like this video and share, and just enjoy yourself. I hope this helps you along the line. It will help you. And for my all-time subscribers, thanks so much for stopping by. Again, thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. Thanks, boss. Yeah, so we'll get right to it for the second time. First of all,
I'm not hearing you.
the first on our list, we have affiliate marketing. Like, this is for me the holy grail of skill-based business ideas. I don't know about you, you might have a different opinion, but for me, this is it. Yeah, because it is, you don't have to do anything, you just have to sell other people's products for them and you get your own share of the money. Period. Yeah, affiliate marketing is in two parts. We have the product-based affiliate marketing side, and then the info products section. Yeah, for physical products, you can easily affiliate for any online store like Jumia, Konga. They offer affiliate programs. So if you want to be the affiliate, you can just put in Jumia affiliate programs. Yeah, and then if you meet the criteria for being an affiliate for them, you can pick the products you want to affiliate for, check if they're available for the affiliate programs, and then you can easily put on your platform and resell. Yeah, and I was specific enough to mention Jumia, Konga. I don't know about Amazon because a lot of these platforms are very skeptical about allowing Nigerians to work on their platforms. So this is what I'm sure of: Jumia and Konga. Moving on to the big brother, we have info products. This is like the in thing right now. We have a number of affiliate programs. We had Lenoflix, Partner. The present Baba now, the one that is like taking the online market by storm, is StakeCut. Like, it's free, it's a free platform. You can just go on the platform, sign up rather as an affiliate, and voila, you have access to products and take your pick, you publicize, and that is it. Once people start buying from you, the money start coming in. Period. It's just as simple as that. Number two, we have content creation. I always say this a number of times. So far you have an Android phone and you post on WhatsApp, you are creating content. The only difference between you and someone who is actually a content creator is that they know how to monetize that skill. They put out content that bring people in and they're able to sell, or able to monetize their own personal skill. You see these kind of people in managing social media handles. They are social media marketers. They are into influencer marketing. So it's like content creation is a very large umbrella. Like, even affiliate marketing too can also be found under this umbrella, because you actually have to put the right content to sell to the right people. Yeah, and to know the ropes on this, I'll put a link in the description below to access the content creation course I took to be able to do what I have, or to do what I'm doing right now, like both on my Instagram and on the YouTube channel. Next on our list, you have virtual assistants. Yeah, so I'll be posting a number of sites that you can go and check out job openings for virtual assistants. You sign up and check if you actually meet the criteria to be hired as a virtual assistant. It's just that easy. You can work from anywhere. You don't need to be with the person or know them one-on-one. It's just as simple as that. You have to just make sure you have the right skill set to be hired. So that's that for virtual assistants. It's just that. You have photography or photo editing. Personally, I prefer photo editing, yeah, because you can work from anywhere in the world. And I know a lot of people who are actually into this photo editing. Yeah, they are here in Nigeria and they have clients all over. It's not restricting, it's not limiting. You can easily learn it and start making money. The thing about this is you actually need startup capital to actually go into this business. You need to get some really specialized equipment to enter into this line of work for your business to be, up to the way it should be. You understand? Because nobody wants to hire someone who is not representing. You understand what I'm saying? Like, I mean, yeah. So that is just the part about this. It's actually a very, very interesting and lucrative line of business: video editing or videography. Videography is a good skill to learn, but it can be really difficult to, it can be really expensive rather to actually start it up, because you need a good substantial amount of money to get a quality camera that will, or you know, that would be enough, or that will be standard enough to actually go into the business. So I actually recommend video editing. And why I recommend video editing as a line of business is because it is easy to start. You can start with your phone. Yeah, all my videos I put on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on YouTube, I use just my phone for recording and editing. Yeah, they've provision for that. They have like beautiful apps that are very optimized for the mobiles, and you can create wonderful videos just using your phone, and it's enough to actually monetize all these business ideas I mentioned: video editing, photo editing, virtual assistants, content creation, and affiliate marketing. They are all remote jobs. You can work for anybody, anywhere in the world, from your comfort, from your house. Yeah, so it's I usually recommend these businesses for people who don't usually want to get into the physical product business, all of that. Just want to work online with their phones. So these are very, very lucrative and viable business that will last a some time. Like, you can only get better if you keep being consistent and keep being intentional about your growth. You can only get better. So I hope this is enough information. I hope you're going to jump on this, and it's available to Nigerians. Please don't stress yourself anymore. Just go pick the one you resonate with and start making your money. Yeah, and please know there's a time to learn. Don't just jump into it and feel like the money will start coming in the next minute. No, there's a point for learning, and then if you stay the process, you actually start earning. And the sky is just your, how do you say it again, starting point. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, share to all and sundry. I love you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Toodles!